Yeah.
you should not have only plan from A to Z. You
Okay.
should have plan A, A1, A2, A3. That is
Yeah.
what she told me. But when I think about it, I think that I need to focus on one thing right now. And if I I don't have a plan. I'm maybe I should have a plan, but I don't have right now. And but I know that if I work hard enough, if I have faith in myself enough, I will be able to do it. Like it's not something I won't be able to do. So let's see. I mean, I'm just hoping that this comes true.
Let's dive into
Thank
it.
you.
So, like,
Yes.
first thing, like, we never really had this type of conversation, but then I would like to know that what type of person you were back in high school.
Okay. So back in high school, I was a very nerdy kind of a person. You can call me boring. You can call me focused. I was very cold-hearted, and yeah, I was basically very boring kind of a person. Now I'm a very different person. As in throughout my like after high school and like college and everything, I'm a changed as a person. I think I change every day, but yeah, I mean, I have become more cool, more yeah, I have become uh, not boring. So yeah, as in it transforms you as a person. So yeah, there is a drastic change in the personalities. The 10th Khushbu and now the Khushbu which is in front of you, they are quite different.
Okay, so the Khushbu which I know, like which I know now, is different from the high school's Khushbu. So, what things really led you to these changes?
Changes, or else I would call it experiences, which changes you as a person. Every day you know something about yourself, and like it, positive, negative, both changes comes with the adulthood. And I would say that uh, I think the kind of focus that I had when I was in 10th or 12th, I have lost that kind of focus. Not that because I have become more okay with the things that I have right now. And when you enter into MBBS, you get this kind of feeling, okay, I have achieved something. Okay, it's not like you
Yeah.
don't have anything. You you are more like, okay, I have achieved something, so you become more free. You are like, okay, now I can live my life. The one which I did not have back in 10th or
Yes.
12th. So yeah, that changes, and you become more free. You are open. You are exploring things, and somewhere down the line you forget that you have to become something. It's your career, it's the utmost important thing in your life. So yeah, for some part you forget it, but then you have to appear for other exams, so yeah, you get yourself back. So that focus is, yeah, focus and innocence.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, yeah. But
And
other than that,
and
like the
and do you really feel that meeting new people or getting the experience of what kind of people out there in the world really contributes to what you are right now?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I love meeting new people. It's like I love listening to their stories. And, it's like every person has their own struggle. Every person has come out of something or they are struggling with something. So it's uh, fun. And at the same time, you learn a lot about human behavior. So
Yeah.
when you go, like after your college, when you are out in the world, you are facing different people. So then you know how to, talk to certain people or how to interact and how to get involved. So yeah, meeting new people is always amazing. I mean, yeah, it's very important, and it just develops you as a person. Yeah, definitely.
So right now you're
Yeah,
preparing for your exam, right? Like NEET, which you
yeah,
tell. So
yeah,
how is
yeah.
it? Like what things are you going through right now? And are you sharing these things
Uh,
with anyone?
and yeah, my parents are constantly on my head, so yeah, I have to share how my days are going and everything. Because back in 2020, I gave the same exam and I couldn't I mean, I did qualify, but I couldn't get the seat
Yeah.
which I wanted. So I'm appearing for the exam again, and the only thing that keeps me going is the one thing which I know about myself, that is the confirmed thing which I know about myself, that is I deserve better. So when you know that, when you know what you want and when you know what you deserve, so you work according to it. You work hard and you just prove it to yourself. Okay, no, you have to do it. You don't have any other options. So yeah, that keeps me going. And frankly speaking, I'm really blessed that I'm sitting inside my home in 2021, and I'm just like, okay, I know that the pandemic situation is getting severe, and as a doctor, I should not be saying this, but I'm kind of grateful that my family and my friends, they are all in a very safe place, and yeah, we are trying to survive and we are doing good.
You are preparing for this exam, so right now, are you feeling like, are you getting those insecure thoughts or those vulnerabilities, or those feelings of self doubt, that would I be able to make it or not, and like any thoughts regarding these things?
Every day. I think
Uh-huh.
every day. I mean,
Uh-huh.
I get up in the morning early because of the thought that, oh my God, I have to do so much of things and why am I sleeping? Why am I wasting time? So yeah, I wake up early. Then when I go to sleep, like if I'm sleeping late or if I'm sleeping early, whatever it is, I have this thing about remembering whatever I did in the day. So then after I finish thinking, okay, whatever I did, like whatever it was the schedule, I'm going nicely, I'm going according to it. But then there is this feeling of guilt trip. Okay, my
Yeah.
mind will take me on a guilt trip. Okay, you might have done better. You could have done it last year, but you did not. So yeah. I mean, insecurities and self doubts are every other day. But yeah, you have to pick yourself up every day. You have to struggle with
Yes.
yourself, and
Yes.
you have to keep reminding yourself that if you keep letting those negative doubts get into your mind, you will not be able to see what's in front of you. The bigger picture, the brighter picture. You will not be
Exactly.
able to see that. So yeah, so you have to keep going. And failures are going to come. I'm not saying that if you keep saying good things to yourself, the failures might not happen. All I'm saying that you will gather enough strength to face them. So you get up every day, prepare yourself, and fight your own battles. That's it.
and
So yeah,
and
self
what
doubts
if
are every day.
and what if you don't make it this time also? Like, are there any plan B or plan C, or you will continue this path only?
Jayashree auntie told me that
Yeah.
you should not have only plan from A to Z. You
Okay.
should have plan A, A1, A2, A3. That is
Yeah.
what she told me. But when I think about it, I think that I need to focus on one thing right now. And if I like, I don't have a plan. I'm maybe I should have a plan, but I don't have right now. And but I know that if I work hard enough, if I have faith in myself enough, I will be able to do it. Like it's not something I won't be able to do. So let's see. I mean, I'm just hoping that this comes true. But yeah, I don't have any other plans. But I'm just hoping this should become the reality.
Become the
Whatever I'm
reality.
thinking.
That's good. For the viewers, like Khushbu, my other two friends, Harshil and Neil, and I, we all went to this tuition after high school, run by these
Yeah.
legendary teachers, Jaishri and Manisha. So, like, they are not your
Yeah.
regular, boring kind of
Not.
teachers. Like,
Ah.
they will
Yeah.
uh, teach you, and then they'll give you exams and they'll say Tata bye bye. Like, I always feel that
Yeah.
they give this close knit community vibes whenever I go or I
Yeah.
meet them, and they develop this
Yeah.
kind of feeling with every batch of student. So
True.
they're great. They're
But
awesome.
yeah. Yeah, they're great. Totally. I
Yes.
mean, we were different people when we entered. When I entered in ninth, when I entered in 10th, and when you guys entered in ninth, and
Yes.
we came out as different. And I am eternally grateful for meeting you guys. I'm like always, always, always. And yeah, I mean, I've got best friends, so totally. And she transformed us as a human being, at
Exactly.
every level, like even spiritual level, even at the level of education, society, whatever. She taught us our responsibilities. She taught us everything. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Do you remember that one thing when we all went to this aptitude test or something after 10, so that we can
Yeah,
know that
yeah.
which type of which stream should we
Yeah,
choose? That was a really great move actually. That I really loved
yeah.
it when
It
Jaishri
was, it
auntie
was.
took us.
Yeah. I mean, I I think I got aptitude for some. I don't know. They didn't pass me for medical exam. I think they gave me aptitude for engineering or something because my maths
Yeah.
was good, and I'm like,
Yeah.
okay, I don't want to do that.
I got I got aptitude for commerce actually. Commerce or arts, I don't remember.
Yeah, yeah.
And I
We
did
all got
engineering.
very different aptitudes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Definitely.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
but that was a very nice way of, telling us that you have this incredible ocean of opportunities in front of you, just choose what you are good at. So yeah,
Yes.
that was a really good thing to, yeah. I'm really miss those old days, when you were like free of responsibilities. You didn't have
Mm.
to think too much about the future. You were just concerned, okay, I have to do well in my 10th. That's it. That was my goal.
Yes.
So yeah, I really, really, really miss that sometimes, that free spirited attitude. Yeah, adulthood does screw that up a
Yeah.
lot of times.
So the people which you met in college and the internships which you did. So do you really feel that you somehow like these things somehow made you mature in sense of thoughts or the reaction towards people or the reaction towards yourself?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, uh, in college, you don't meet always good people, Yeah, you
Yeah.
meet some really nice people who will, support you in everything that you do. But as a person, you are going through a transformation, the person you were
Hmm.
in 12th, the person you were after the college, you are going through a transformation. So, yeah, I mean, you go through a heartbreak. That would be like mostly your first heartbreak. Then you go through a failure, then a lot of things. But yeah, I mean, as a I did not make many good friends. Yeah, I made two, three good friends, which are still with me. But
Yes.
yeah, I mean, you don't always meet good people. You will be
Exactly.
like, yeah, you will. I would say that at each and every step, you will get tested. It will be like your test. Okay, okay, this is the situation. What are you going to do? What are you going to
Yes.
act like? So yeah, I mean, yeah, college taught me a lot of things. And but the hospital experience which I had in my internship was the best one. I mean,
Okay.
that 1 year was the best one. I mean, my whole MBBS 4.5 years, but 1 year after that was yeah, that really, made me think about why do I want to take this career and what are the future aspects? Like, how do I visualize myself? So when I was in eighth, that was the time I decided that I wanted to be a doctor, and not just doctor. I wanted to be a surgeon. That was what I decided when I was in eighth. I was very juvenile. I didn't know. I was like, okay, you have to wear white coat and you have to just give medicines. I did not realize many things. I was
Yeah.
juvenile. But yeah, when I entered the college and when I started my internship, that was the time I realized that it's a work of responsibility. It is
Exactly.
a very conscious work. It requires your each and every minute and each and every brain cell working on it, and it is it will. I would say that it will. Uh, yeah, you have to be very conscious about it, like whatever you do, because as a doctor you have a great responsibilities. So yeah, I mean, though that 1 year literally made me proud of myself. Okay, now this is a great job and I will be doing for that for the rest of my life. So yeah, I'm glad I took it. Now when I think of it, I am glad whatever happened, whatever, a heartbreak, a friendship break, whatever happened, I'm just grateful that
Exactly.
it made me a very mature person.
Hmm.
Yeah, now I can tackle any situation. So yeah, I have, yeah, I mean, I know myself. I have learned a lot about myself. So it feels great to be in your own company.
Okay, so Khushbu, like any last thoughts for sorry again. So so Khushbu, any last thoughts for our viewers? Like anything you want to say, any advice which you want to give?
Yeah, two things. Don't be
Okay.
serious. And
Mm-hmm.
second, take chances. Take chances.
Okay.
Don't be serious about anything. Like, be free, explore things, know people, go through everything, and it's a process. It will eventually make sense. It's not supposed to make sense to you right now, but it will eventually make sense. So, and be kind enough to yourself, to your environment, to the people around you, because that's what we need. I mean, that's what we all need, a small amount of kindness. So, yeah, don't be serious, take chances, be bold about your decisions, and be be responsible for whatever you do. Like, take responsibilities for your own self. And more than anything, talk to yourself, know yourself
Exactly.
better. So yeah, that will help a lot. Like, when there are no people around you to tell you that you can do it, it would be enough for you if you tell yourself that you can do it. It will be enough every day. So know yourself and be a better human. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah, I think instead of giving two, I give many advices. But yeah, is it going good?
Perfect, perfect challenge. Really good.
Thank God.